1-2. And Beavers takes strike three called. The lead at first by O'Neill. The pitch. And Basayo swings and misses. The 0-2. And a swing and a miss, and down he goes. Here's the 1-2. And Trump strikes out swinging. Woodruff coming back now. And it's swung on and missed strike three. 3-2. Swing and a miss, strike three. 6 strikeouts for Brandon Woodruff. Savali pitching in game action for the first time since March 30th. And it's swung on and missed strike three. The 0-2, swing and a miss, strike three. Basayo went chasing way up high. Here's the 1-2. And that is strike three called. Savali gets Machine looking with a cutter. And Aaron Savali back out for a fourth inning. Strikes out the side in order. Here's the 2-2 to Beavers now from Mizorowski. And it's swung on and foul tip, strike three. Mizorowski back to Mayo. And that is strike three called. He went right back to a breaking pitch. And Mizorowski with back-to-back punch-outs. Here's the 2-2. And Vavra takes, and strike three called. Here's the kick and the serve. And a swing and a foul tip, strike three. 101 on the radar gun. Welcome to life against Jacob Mizorowski, who has 6 innings of one-hit shutout ball and 11 strikeouts.